Come, let's make some delicious fry up salt mackerel Jamaican style. Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Nicola, and today we're making some fry up salt mackerel, and I'm going to serve this with ground food and boiled dumpling. So stay tuned to see how I prep this one. First call of action, I'm going to boil my salt mackerel to reduce the salt content while I work on the fresh ingredients. Just a run through of the fresh ingredients. We're using onion, bell pepper, garlic, and tomatoes. We're going to wash these and cut according to your likings and set aside until when it's time to prepare. So I'll catch you further on in the video. But before all that, I want to take the time to thank all my returning supporters. Thank you guys so much for coming back to the channel. And if it's the first time here, welcome. Please tap the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for future uploads. So continue watching and I'll catch you in a bit. So I already deboned my salt mackerel. Now I'm going to heat up a bit of oil to saute my onion and bell pepper mix, and then we can put this together. Tell me what's your favorite way of serving up salt mackerel. I love the rundown. It's been a while I haven't prepared that one. I think I'm going to do that one pretty soon. So I'm preparing this for my Sunday morning breakfast. During the week, guys, we don't have the time to have a good breakfast. So I'm making use of my weekend breakfast, Jamaican style. So continue watching. Touch to this is adding our vinegar. The vinegar serves more than two purposes. It helps to control the fishy odor. It also controls the salt content. And here is how I serve this one up. I hope that you guys did watch full and you like the video, share, and that you will like the video as well, and subscribe if you haven't as yet. So until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.